Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Virginia Dagan Perez, 46 years old. I have one daughter, 18 years old. I am Roman Catholic. My height is 152 centimeters. My weight is 55 kilograms. I work experience in Hong Kong, Singapore, and Malaysia. I'm taking care of the newborn baby in Hong Kong, then taking care of the bedridden in Singapore, and taking care of the children in Malaysia.
Okay. So, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work again in Hong Kong to give my daughter a good future, finish study.
Okay. And are you married?
I am married but separated.
Okay. Then who will provide or yes,
My
who will provide?
mother-in-law is taking care of them.
Okay. Do they support you?
My mother-in-law support me.
Okay. And can you tell me your work experience in Hong Kong?
I work experience Hong Kong in 2018 until 2022 for my first employer, taking care of a newborn baby.
Okay. How about your experience from 2013 to 2015?
In 2013 to 2015, I taking care of the bedridden as a stroke patient in Singapore.
Okay. And how about your latest working experience in Hong Kong?
My latest experience, I worked there for May 2022 until December 2024. I
Oh.
just finished 2 years, then I renew another contract, then
Okay. So, what are your duties during that time?
reason.
Yes. What are your duties when you are working
My
on your
duties
latest?
is, first is, my priority is taking care of the newborn baby, then second to the housework, then do some laundry, ironing, go to the market, then cooking.
Okay. So you are the one who cook for them.
Yes, ma'am.
What types of dishes you know how to cook?
Some steamed fish, some fried vegetable, steamed egg,
Okay. So
and some Chinese soup.
dishes. Chinese dishes.
Yes.
So how many dishes do you usually prepare for them?
Usually just only 2 or 3, some fish and vegetable, then some other soup.
Okay, so you are the one who do all of the household works.
Yes, ma'am.
So how often do you usually clean all of the following areas of the house?
Usually in the morning, I take a bath first, then I take the baby to feed the milk. Then after that, I do the housework, some washing the clothes.
Yes.
Then
How many times do you usually clean the following areas of the house? How many times a
many
day?
times a day
Or how many times a week?
and times a week. In a day, I sometimes 2 times, 3 times I clean always. Then
Okay.
yeah, in the
So
night time
is it
before
every day? Is it
it's
every day?
every day. Ma'am.
Okay, everyday cleaning.
Ayun.
Okay. And how about your experience in Malaysia? Can you tell me?
In Malaysia, I taking care of the children, bring them to school, then pick up them from school. They do also the housework, some also cooking, cleaning, do the ironing.
Okay. So how old is or are the children that you took care of before?
Before I come there, just only 6. Then the girl is 6, then the boy is 8.
Okay. And are you the one who accompanied them to school?
Together with the father, they have the car.
Okay. But you are the only helper of their family.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since you have an experience in taking care of baby, are you still willing to take care of baby?
Yes.
What if the baby could not stop crying? What will you do?
I want to check if they're not feeling well or synapse is wet or they're hungry.
Okay. What will you do if the toddler having tantrums?
Having the tantrums, I just let him know the tantrums after finish, then I want to talk to them or play with them.
Okay. And are you willing to take care of a toddler and a baby again?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, so can you sing a lullaby? Just a
Um,
little bit.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, that's nice. And how about children? Are you willing to take care of children?
Ah, yes, ma'am. I'm waiting.
Okay. What will you do if the children were fighting and naughty?
I tell them to stop, and maybe their parents is angry. I told them not to do that. It's very bad.
Okay. But have you experienced before tutoring or teaching children?
Ah, no, they have their mother is prepared to teach.
Okay. But if ever to your future employer, what if they asked you, or are you still willing, or are you willing to help the children with their homework or school activities?
Ah, it's okay, ma'am.
Okay. And for the pets, um, is it okay with you to take care of pets?
Ah, it's okay, ma'am. In the house, I have a cat. I have also a dog.
Okay. And for cooking skills, what types of dishes you know how to cook?
Just fry egg, fry vegetable, fry scrambled egg, steamed egg, and some steamed fish, and some bakote like that.
Okay, so Chinese dishes, you know
Yes, Chinese
already to
dishes.
cook Chinese dishes.
Yes.
Does your cooking taste good?
Maybe.
But your employer before, did they said to you that your cooking tastes good?
Ah, yes.
Okay, so do you think that your future employer would love your cooking too?
Uh, Maybe they love my cooking,
Okay.
although I'm not a good cooking.
Okay, and are you a fast learner of cooking?
I just follow in the YouTube.
Okay, so are you a fast learner?
Yes, Muslim.
Okay, and what Chinese dishes do you enjoy cooking the most?
Mapo tofu.
Okay, mapo tofu. So can you tell me the process on how you cook that tofu?
Mapo tofu. First, I need to cut the onion, the garlic, and the
Okay,
like that. Then prepare the
ingredients.
ingredients with mapo tofu in some pork.
And then,
Then I need to cook and saute the onion and the garlic or some ginger like that. Then saute the pork. Then I put I don't know what that. I don't remember.
and then,
Then the rest is tofu.
okay. So after, what will you do next?
Then I prepare for them with hot.
Okay, and is it okay with you to share with the babies, children, or elderly?
Ah, it's okay.
How about to work with other coworkers? Is it okay with you?
For me, I not experience, but actually I don't.
You know, what if?
I not experience with the other helper.
But are you willing?
If the other helper is nice, then I'm willing.
Okay, so you are willing. Okay.
Yes.
And do you have any message that you want to send to your prospective employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as a domestic helper. I am honest, hardworking, lovable, love children. I taking care of your children like my own.
Okay.
Good day.
Okay, thank you.